Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a Chinese or more specific, a Cantonese style beef stew with radish. This cuisine is best to serve with plain rice or noodles. So, let's get started. Briefly, the recipe can be divided into two sections. The first section is to blanch the beef with some ginger and peppercorn, and then take the beef, combine with the remaining ingredients for the second step to stew for 1 to 2 hours. That's pretty easy. Put a piece of beef in the pot, add the peppercorns and the ginger. Fill up with cold water enough to cover the beef. Heat up the water until it starts to boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat and let it blanch for a few minutes. Turn off the heat, remove the beef and let it cool. Cut the beef into chunks about 1 to 1.5 inches. Next, add some oil to the pan or a wok. Saute the chopped garlic, the ginger, and the scallion cut into sections until aromatic. Then add back the beef. And pan fry for a few minutes until the meat starts to turn slightly brown. Then add the seasoning to the beef, the柱侯sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, some Chinese wine, rock sugar, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. And add sufficient water and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, don't forget to add some spices. We have the star anise, bay leaf, and it is a dry orange peel or dry tangerine peel, which is very aromatic. So let it simmer over low heat for at least 1 to 2 hours or until the beef turns soft and tender. While we are waiting for the beef to stew until tender, prepare the radish. Cut the radish into wedges, about the size of the beef. We have stewed the beef for quite a while. Now we add the radish to the beef and continue stewing for another 30 to 45 minutes until the beef is really tender and soft and the radish absorb all the flavor from the stew liquid. Right. 45 minutes has passed and now the beef is tender, the radish is now soft and the color has changed to brown because it has absorbed all the flavor from the liquid. Turn off the heat and you can now serve with rice and noodles. If you are on the healthier side, if you prefer to remove the oil before you serve, I have a small trick. Remove the beef and the radish and pour the stew liquid to a metal container. And leave it in the freezer for half an hour. That's how it looks like after 30 minutes. The oil on top is now solidified, which can be removed easily. Put it back to the pan and add some extra water to bring it to the boil once more. And now you have a pot of beef stew that is with much less oil. Best to serve with plain rice or with noodles. I hope I have explained clearly how to prepare this Chinese beef stew in this video. You can download the recipe by following the link in the description right below the YouTube video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.